Hello everyone, my name is Edwin Guevara Puerto. I'm a student English course A2. My number ID card is 743762229. Look here. Today I'm going to show you the better wonder of the world. Is the Roman Coliseum. This is the Roman Coliseum. Roman Coliseum is located in the east of the Roma, Italy. Roma, Italy. The Roman Coliseum has an excellent architecture and very popular between tourists all parts of the world. The Roman Coliseum is called it Flavian Amphitheater in honor to three Flavian dynasty emperors. There are Vespasian, Titus, and Domitian. I was learning and walking to understand a little Roman culture. In the picture, I was near to Arch of the Constantine, in front of the subway station. I was feeling very excited and happy it seeing the intelligence humans in the construction of the wonder of the world. There are expressions of the architecture, art, romanticism, culture, and engineer to admire. Thank you.